Things that make sense in Japan. I am so hungry. But this is the only money I have. I want to eat a lot, but it is impossible. But then I remembered something. This restaurant in Tokyo serves unlimited extra noodles for free. Everything under 1,000 yen. Let's try. First, buy a ticket. I love thin noodles. It's tasty. So I ordered free extra noodles. You can also choose a half size and how firm you want your noodles done. Use free condiments to spice it up. Make sure you eat noodles and soup in good balance. How much noodles do you think you can eat?